Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So we will discuss about the semi-solid dosage forms. Semi-solid dosage forms are mainly meant for external application. For example, ointment, creams, jellies, pastes, poultices. In that we will discuss about the pastes. The pastes are generally very thick and stiff semi-solid preparations intended for external application to the skin. They do not melt at the ordinary temperature and thus form a protective coating. Pastes are classified according to the base employed in their preparation. Pastes are classified as solid colloid base, which containing solid colloid base, then with the gelatin base, with the starch base, with the tragacanth base, polyethylene glycol base, cellulose derivative base and pectin base. Method of preparation of paste are by trituration method and by fusion method. Recommended containers for these are semi-solid preparations are dispensed in the glass or the plastic jars having the screw caps with the impermeable liner. They should be stored in the well-closed container so as to prevent the loss of volatile constituents. They can also be supplied in the plastic or metallic collapsible tubes. The special labeling instructions are stored in a cool place and for external use only. In next sessions, we will see the actual experiment. Experiment number 68. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit diethranol paste 10 gram. Formulation and method of preparation of paste. Proposition 1. Diethranol can be incorporated in the Basorin paste. Learning objectives are to understand the purpose of preparing paste with the medicament and its method of preparation, and ability to prepare and label the paste correctly. Apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, ointment slab, ointment spatula, measuring cylinder, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 100, that is equal to 0.1. Prescription, which is denoted by symbol Rx, diethranol 0.1%. Basorin paste quantity sufficient. Let's discuss about the formula table, that is type means category, use or role of ingredient, translation means the name of ingredient. As we don't have the quantity in the imperial system, as there is no quantities given in the Latin terminology, we have directly the quantity given in the metric system to prepare up to 100 gram and quantity taken in metric system to prepare up to 10 gram. So first of all, diethranol used to treat the chronic plaque psoriasis. Quantity given should be 0.1%, that is 0.1 gram in 100, and taken quantity taken in the metric system is 0.01 gram. Then Basorin paste used as a base. Quantity given, quantity sufficient to prepare up to 100 gram. Quantity taken should be quantity sufficient to prepare up to 10 gram. Direction to be used as directed by physician. So we have, this is a diethranol and this is a Basorin paste. So this is a ointment slab, or which is called ointment tile, and this is a ointment spatula. With the help of this spatula, this diethranol is mixed with this paste. So now I am going to take this diethranol onto this ointment tile. After that I am going to add this paste into it, and after adding few amount of this paste, now I am going to mix it properly with the help of this ointment slab and ointment spatula. This method or this procedure is known as a leviation. So after proper mixing of this, I am again going to add some amount of paste into it, and after proper mixing of it, now going to make up the volume, and then I am going to transfer this paste into this container, and then we will proceed for next labeling part. So now we will move